If you're interested in arbitrage, watch this video to the end. First of all, let me log into my Google AdSense dashboard. So I'll show you guys what we have generated so far this month. Okay. So first of all, on this screen over here, you can see that this AdSense dashboard is a new AdSense. You can see it has not received any payment so far. This account was generated last year around December, I think. But you can see there's no payment on this account. But you can see what we have generated so far this month. Currently, this month we have generated like roughly $3,000 on this account. This is 2.93K. And this month you can see what we have also generated on the account. And over here to the performance, you can see that the CPC of this account is very high. Normally working with arbitrage method, it's rare for it to get this high CPC. Okay, but this strategy is I combine my arbitrage method with my loading method. If you have been on this channel for a while, you notice that I work with two strategies, which is automation method, which is my loading method, and an arbitrage method I work with. And I've explained in a couple of videos the arbitrage source I use, which I've talked about Tobalo and different source. I've done a video on that. You can go through my channel and watch that videos. Okay, so I normally talk about an account that has not received any payments. The max you can work on that account is like $1,000. You can see from this account that I've put roughly like $3,000 on this account for just this month. And from here, you can see that this is already, you can see the time is already 11:51. This 30th of April. So just by 12 already is already a new day, which is that is we have started already in May. And I will drop an update on this particular account and show you guys this account how much was already balanced, and I will show you guys if when this account receive payment on the 21st. I will also drop a video. Normally if you are on this channel, you notice that whenever I show an account, I also drop the payment proof on the 21st. When I get paid, I show you guys that I've received payment with that account. So stick along. If you're a new subscriber to this channel, you're a new viewer to this channel, you can just subscribe so that whenever I drop a video related to AdSense arbitrage or AdSense loading, you can get notified on that and know the current method that's working right now in 2026. Because this method is a very safe method that you can work with without facing any issues of ad limits or ban. If you check over here, you see that I've not received any notification of ad limits. No ad limit notification on this account. This is a very everything is working safely. It's a safe method. Okay. So if you want to work with me, I also have a slot where I do partnership. For mostly I do partnership for accounts that have received payments in the past, at least one time payment in the past. And normally I like working big. If you go through my video, you see the accounts are loaded. I pull over $20,000 on the account and receive the payments live. I show you guys. So if you're interested in working with me, I also have partnership slots. And if you're interested in learning my strategy, you want to know the method I use on this account, you can check the link in the description box to reach out to me. You can communicate with me. And if you want to book a slot for partnership, you can also click on that link to reach out to me. If you have a good account you want to work on. Okay. So for more updates on this account and more updates on future accounts I'm going to be loading and working on from this month, which is just from tomorrow, that is next month, I'll be dropping videos, a lot of videos on accounts I'll be working on. So I'm back on working on lots of accounts. So you can stay focused and stay tuned for the next update. Okay, I'll see you guys in my next video.